Welcome students in my YouTube channel which is Biology by Mahesh sir. Today in series of 10th CBSE we will take the chapter of life processes. In last few days you have got the information about the syllabus reduction from CBSE. So our first chapter which is life process sustained in after the deletion of the syllabus, because the second chapter which is control and coordination has been deleted by the CBSE. So in our topic we will take the nutrition in animals. In last class we had discussed about the nutrition in plants, photosynthesis and different reaction. Now today we will take the nutrition in animals and or heterotrophic nutrition. The first example nutrition in amoeba, and in next topic we will take the nutrition in human being. So first of all nutrition in amoeba. Clear? So first you write the nutrient part or food material for amoeba. The food materials for amoeba are zooplankton, phytoplankton, are the food material for amoeba. Now the method of nutrition in amoeba, the method of nutrition in amoeba in holozoic mode of nutrition. In holozoic mode of nutrition, which steps involved by amoeba? First of all, ingestion. Second, digestion. Third, absorption. Fourth, assimilation. And fifth, digestion. These are the 5 topics involved in case of holozoic mode of nutrition. First is ingestion, second digestion, third absorption, fourth assimilation, and fifth is ejection. So we will discuss according to these points in the heterotrophic nutrition in amoeba. Clear? Next is the process we will take. So we will take the diagrammatically explanation of process of nutrition in amoeba. First of all, ingestion of food. For this process, irregular body of amoeba first of all play role the formation of pseudopodia. The structure name is called pseudopodia. The structure is called pseudopodia because it is a cup-like structure and it is a temporary mouth of amoeba. Now it is a food particle. Now amoeba move towards the food particle with the water current. In second step, now the food particle enter into the pseudopodia or food cup. Now these food particles enter into the food cup. Now in third stage, food cup encloses the food particle. In next stage, now food particle enter into the structure which is called food vacuole. Now food enter into the structure which is called food vacuole. Here the structure is called so food vacuole is called temporary digestive system for amoeba. Now in next step, so repeat this step. First of all, amoeba produces pseudopodia. Now pseudopodia move towards the food. Now it engulfs the food into the pseudopodia. After then pseudopodia close and it insert the food into the food vacuole. Now these food vacuoles start to digest the food. These food vacuoles start to digest the food. So here the digestion of food material in food vacuole. Next step, after digestion, the digested food release into the cytoplasm. It is called absorption. So after absorption, the undigested food move towards the any area of plasma membrane where they release into the water. Clear? So it is a diagrammatically step of process of nutrition amoeba. Now we will take as the point, first of all, ingestion. So here the three steps involve the ingestion of food. So in ingestion, first of all, amoeba move towards the food, intake into the pseudopodia. Now pseudopodia cover up and release the food into the food vacuole. So these are the four steps involved in the ingestion of food. So they involve in the ingestion of food. Next is, after ingestion, next topic is the digestion of food. Digestion of food. With the help of suitable digestive enzymes, the amoeba food vacuole, which contain the lytic enzyme or digestive enzyme, digests the carbohydrate, protein and lipid. And now digested food is released into the cytoplasm. So here is the digestion takes place, and in this diagram the absorption takes place. After absorption, the undigested food vacuole released into the cytoplasm, released into the cell membrane area, where it released outside the body. The process is called egestion. Clear? So between absorption and egestion, the one step is also involved, which is called assimilation. In assimilation, the digested food particles now join and convert into the macromolecule, because by digestion it converts the macromolecule into the micromolecule. Now assimilation converts the micromolecule into the macromolecule. So it is the diagrammatically view of explanation of heterotrophic nutrition in amoeba. Now we take some equation which is related to the nutrition in amoeba. First of all, in injection it enters the food into the food vacuole where digestion takes place. Now first we take the starch or carbohydrate. Now starch convert into the glucose in digestion by lytic enzyme. Second, if lipid or lipids takes place, that time it convert it into the fatty acid plus glycerol. If food contain protein, that time lytic enzyme convert it into the amino acid. So complete equation of digestion. Now after the digestion, these all are food parts like glucose, fatty acid and glycerol and amino acid, all released into the cytoplasm. So it is called absorption. When they convert into the simpler food and then transfer into the cytoplasm, it is called absorption. After the absorption, the equation which is related to the assimilation. Now in assimilation, the all equation invert. Clear? In assimilation process, the glucose which present in cytoplasm either used to formation of ATP or used to formation of plasma membrane. It is called assimilation first. Now second, the fatty acid plus glycerol either used to formation of ATP or in formation of plasma membrane. Third, amino acid used to formation of protein. These protein used to formation of plasma membrane. These protein used to formation of enzymes. So here the process is called assimilation in amoeba. After the assimilation, the undigested food, that means that which do not contain any nutritive value, these all are transferred to the plasma membrane area in food vacuole. Now the plasma membrane in food vacuole burst and release all undigested food into the water. So it is called egestion. So all events in heterotrophic nutrition in amoeba. Clear? So thank you for watching my video. In next class we will take nutrition in human being. Thank you.